Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So sorry about Sunday's video, I was so poorly. Feeling a lot better, not 100%, but we're getting there. So Halloween is officially over. I hope you've all had an amazing Halloween. I spent mine fast asleep on the sofa with a blanket, watching Friends on telly with a bottle of Lucozade. Kids took themselves out trick-or-treating. They're feeling a lot better, so they took themselves out trick-or-treating. They're old enough anyway now, so thankfully. So we're going to jump in. I've got some cream donut, and that is going on the thumb, the middle and the ring finger. This is such a lovely nude creamy colour. Absolutely love it. So it's going to have 2 coats, and it only takes 30 seconds to cure in the lamp. What did you all get up to for Halloween? Did you have a house party, or did you have to take kids trick-or-treating? Did you play any party games? Or are you like my parents who turn all the lights off, shut the curtains and lock the door? It's so mean, but I do see why they do it sometimes. It can be a bit, just having the doorbell ring or the door knock constantly. I do get why they do it sometimes. On to the index and the pinky. I've got this Lavender Violets. It hasn't got a name, it's part of a set, but it is this gorgeous, sumptuous dark green colour, and it is so nice, so nice. So I'm doing the thinnest coats because it is so dark, and this takes a minute to cure in the lamp. And have you noticed I've changed my nails as well? I got a bit, I really didn't like those French ones that I did for myself, with the white French tips and the little pink spider web on the thumb. I think they only lasted about 3 days, and I was sick of them. They've got to go. So I've just got, I think it's called Clara Ochre and Perfect Black and Cream Donut on my hand as well. I was going to do a little bit of a design, but I couldn't be bothered, I was too poorly. So I'm just doing a second coat on these now, pop them in the lamp. Look, they're so super shiny. So I'm going to do on the cream colours, on the cream coloured nails, we're going to get some Spooky from Madame Glam. We're going to use that exact same green again, and some gold gel paint from Madame Glam, which is just the best. It really is. I love it. So I'm putting a little bit on the palette. I've lightened that spooky colour. I thought it was a bit too dark, so I just put a bit of cream donut in that brown, in the spooky. Needed it to be a little bit more of a muted brown. So I'm just loading up my brush, a little striping brush with that green, and we're going to do down the right hand side. Is it the right hand side? Yes, the right hand side. Have to look at the nails, don't I, you see? All the way down on there, and then we're going to go across near the top to create a plus sign, a right hand side plus sign. You really want to let the brush do most of the work for you with these. Striping brushes are fantastic for that. I did get a little bit too scared. I could feel my pinky finger slipping, so I stopped halfway through that one. But yeah, they do most of the work for you. Touch the nail and just drag, and it'll keep it nice and straight. I'm still going to apologise for my husky voice for this video. Still not right. And I feel like I sound like Phoebe when she's got a cold and she's like, "Smelly cat." Stop, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Right, I've loaded up the brown onto that brush, and we're going to go to the left of that green line. I'm going to go all the way down, try and keep the same distance, the same thickness, like the same width. And then we're going to go higher than that green one, so to the left and up above the green. Absolutely love doing like tartan nails and stuff. Not only does it scream autumn, fall, but I feel like it really puts you in the mood for Christmas. Dare I say it? And then put another line along the bottom with that brown as well. And I did make a little bit of a mistake. I touched the brush at that top there. You see that little line that I've I've accidentally made, but I wiped that off with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free wipe before I put it in the lamp to cure. So all of those are done now, all of those creamy colours. So it's time to play with the gold glitter gel paint. I'm only doing 2 lines with this. We want to go straight down the bottom, straight down the left hand side, all the way down, and then we want to go above that brown line that we've made. I nearly did below, look. I was like, no, it'll look much better above it. So we did that, and this gold gel paint is so nice to work with. I know I say it all the time, but the little pots, the gel paint pots, are seriously so pigmented, and they're so creamy and smooth, and they just glide on. They go where you want them to go, and that is all you can ask for, really. So I do that to all the creamy tartan nails. I'll let you watch the rest of them because it's so satisfying. I could look at it all day. Now I'll tell you what I should have done before putting the gold gel paint on, because I wanted these matte. So I should have matted all of them before putting the gold gold gel paint on, cured them, and then did the gold gel paint, because it doesn't leave a sticky residue. And yeah, I definitely would have matte top coated them first. I rectified this mistake because I wanted the 2 green nails, the index and the pinky, matte. So I matted them, and then I matted these guys. And then I realised, I was like, well, it's not going to be shiny anymore. So what I end up doing is giving them a cure, and then just going over that gold line again, really lightly. So it's shiny and it's glittery again. So to tie in those green, because we've got green on the cream nails, and we've added that gold as well, I wanted to add a little bit something so that they're not plain nails. And we're just going to do a little gold cuff because they needed a little something, and I think this is a perfect way to add a little bit extra when you're doing like really simple nails, just to give them a little bit more pizzazz. I don't think I've heard that word for absolutely ages. Pizzazz. What would also look nice is sweater nails. If you did like 2 nails with that tartan, 2 nails that are like this, and then 1 accent nail that's a sweater nail. Oh, yes. That would look really nice. See, I really want these nails now, and I'm thankful that I did them in my size. So I might go and do another 5 so that I can wear these. I suppose I should really explain what I'm doing. So I'm just doing a cuff, and all it is, you know, like a French tip, but it's on the other end. It's around the cuticle. And you're just following the line. So say you want a 2mm thick band, just follow it. Just follow around the cuticle, draw a nice little band, curve it around each side, and you are done. And it is just something extra, isn't it, to tie everything together and make those not so plain nails anymore. Not sure if I said it, but the gold gel paint takes 60 seconds in my nail lamp. It claims, on the tub it says 60 seconds anyway, so pop it in for 60 seconds. No sticky residue left either after you've cured it, so that's good. So this is what I'm talking about. I mean, it's still lovely, even though it's matte, but I wanted that sparkle. So I'm just going over really rough, really lightly, just to make sure that it all pops. And we are done. Super simple tartan nails. And you can do this with any colours you want as well. You could do it with a red. I did a red last year. Oh, it was bloody gorgeous. Red, green and gold. So nice. You could do this with blue, any colour blue as well, any variation of blue, all different browns and nudes. So nice. Perfect for fall. I'm a stuttering idiot today, aren't I? Fall. It's like my brain just turned off last week when I got ill. Didn't want to work after that. Oh, I hope it comes back. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now because I'm probably annoying the hell out of you because I'm annoying myself. So let me know what you thought of the nail design. Let me know if you're going to give it a go. It is such a lovely little design. I keep seeing it everywhere. Put your stamp on it. Put your variations on it. it can merge into winter and into Christmas. That's what I love about tartan nails. I love them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And in Sunday's video, I'm very excited. We have decided what the prize is going to be for reaching 500 subscribers. So stay tuned for that, because all the information will be on there about how to enter. And yeah, very excited. Can't wait. See you all on Sunday. Bye.